Good morning. Today we are correcting CO42. I can evaluate expressions with fractions using multiplication and division. So we had to remember how to multiply and divide those fractions. Multiplication, you need to make sure there's no mixed numbers, turning it into improper fractions. Then we multiply across and we simplify. If it's division, again, making sure there's no mixed numbers, turning them improper. If it's a whole number, you put the 1 underneath it to turn it into a fraction. For division, you flip the division symbol to multiply, and you flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. Then we multiply across and simplify. So let's look at the answers that we have. We have 3/14, 40 over 33, or 1 and 7 over 33. 30 over 30 is 1. You had to simplify that down to the 1. Then we have 45 over 12 could simplify down to 15 over 4, or we could call that 3 3/4. So either 15 over 4 or 3 3/4. And the last one would be 6. For dividing, we have 6. 40 over 27, or 1 and 13/27, 18, 5, and 1. Any questions on those ones? Kellen? You got it? Okay. All right, for our next set, we have 7/40, 28 over 55, 55 over 24, or 2 and 7/24, 3/20. Any questions on that row? All right, then which is greater? B times D is greater, because that was 7/6, or 1 and 1/6. And that is, we have a whole 1 plus the fraction, and A divided by C gave us just a fraction, no whole numbers. So we know that B times D is greater. And then which is greater over here? It would be B divided by A, because it is 2 and 4/5, or 14 over 5, which is greater than 5 over 14. Any questions on that? On the bottom, the largest value I was able to come up with is B divided by A, which is 2 and 4/5. And the smallest value that I've been able to find is A over C, which is 8 over 44. Hudson. You may or may not have found the absolute largest or the absolute smallest. The point was is we had to try. You had to try doing it. There's not going to be something that open-ended on the test, so we don't have to worry about finding the biggest or the smallest, but we had to get used to working with those fractions and trying it out. Any questions on the multiplying or dividing with fractions? Okay, if you are watching this at home, I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.